Look, I've got a new gas water heater. I'm going to install it myself. I'm very good at DIY.
You shouldn't fix the pipes yourself. There are risks fixing gas appliances on your own.
Why waste money? What could possibly go wrong?
I read about this incident. Someone tried to connect the gas and water pipes of his water heater and he mixed them up. In the end, his mistake disrupted the gas supply to several blocks in his neighborhood.
That's serious?
Yes, that's why you should hire a licensed gas service worker. It will save you and your neighbors a lot of trouble.
Okay, I'll look for a licensed gas service worker.